All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this three-day body class call. We are here with R.D. Singh, sir, and he's from Chandigarh, and he's brilliant with bodies. And the way he facilitates is just awesome and amazing. He just facilitated an amazing three-day body class in Bangalore. We had more than 50 people in that class, and the way that class, it was just so expansive. I'm sure Mansi will add to that. And here we are looking at having more than 100 people with their bodies in this class. So what else is possible with Mumbai? So welcome, Adi sir, and would you like to take over from here? So
yeah, if you insist, I'll take over.
Yes. So, okay, let me start by asking if anyone has any questions before I start asking any questions. So, Shilpa, you have any question to ask? You've signed up for the body class. So, what made you choose this class?
Hello, sir. Can I call you? So, my first thing is I don't want to call you RD, sir, because it seems like I just want to call you RD. Is that okay?
Absolutely okay.
I love that. Okay, so I had done the class in 2016, and I'm extremely curious and interested to know, pock and pod, everything that I know. So I really want to know about the body class. I really want to know about what is the class all about? I'm like, it's been really tingling in my world, and I have a lot more questions. And so I really want to first know can you really talk a little more about
the three-day body class? Okay, so the three-day body class is a class that lasts over 3 days, as the name suggests. And in this class, we have a number of body processes that we run on each other, around 60 processes. And what is the main power of this three-day body class is that there are so many people in one room running different processes on each other. And those energies of those processes are being received by everyone in the class. And that is the intensity of what changes in this three-day body class, because there are so many people together and they're all running different body processes on each other. And these processes, the energy of these processes is received by everyone in the class. And that is the thing that really creates the change. And the essence of the three-day body class is that we have all these various body processes that are there that address various aspects of your life, various aspects of your being. And I would like to just amplify this in a small way, is that, in this world, we actually go for any health-related issues to our doctors. And I have a lot of awe for the doctors. The doctors are doing a wonderful job. However, what the doctors do really is to help us mitigate our symptoms. So what shows up in our body, whatever your illness is, are symptoms. For example, if you have diabetes is a symptom you have of something going wrong in your body. But what is the cause of their diabetes? Unfortunately, the doctors very few doctors really have the ability to home on to what is the cause of that symptom. What caused that diabetes? What caused this cancer? What caused your legs to pain or your back to become stiff or you to get arthritis or whatever? So there is a cause behind everything. And as we know, in Access, we say, we create everything in this world. We are the one who are the creators. If you are the creators, who can uncreate it? We can. And therefore, in the body class, what we do is that if we have a backache, we don't run any process of the back. We ask the body, hey, body, which process is going to contribute to you to the most? And the body may choose something which has got nothing to do with the back, but it may have everything to do with the backache, the cause of the backache. And that's the magic which takes place. It is actually magical in 3 days. There's a lady who came to a body class in Delhi, and she came because she had some growths on her head, and she said if she comes there, those growths will go away. But what happened after the 3-day body class? She couldn't see properly. And she took off her glasses and she found, wow, I can see without my glasses. So she came for something else. And what she got out of that was no wearing of glasses anymore. Magical things happen. I remember one lady in Istanbul, she came to the body class and she found that on the 3rd day, she said, I want to share something. I said, okay. So she sat down on the wall, next to the wall, and stretched her legs in front. And she said, when I came to this class 3 days back, my one leg was 3 centimeters shorter than the other leg. And now they are the same. And she got to know because she was wearing special shoes and she was tripping. Now, which process changed that? I don't know. My wife, Kiran, suffered from restless leg syndrome. The doctors all over the world said there's no cure for this, If it is unbearable, take painkillers. There's no cure. But she just attended one advanced body class in Bombay. And after that class, her restless leg syndrome vanished. She hasn't got it till today. So what changes and how it changes, I can't say. No one can say. But yes, things do change in a body class.
And I would love to ask you, which is a question I think on most of the people's mind also. Does it even affect the money flows?
Yeah, you see, the beauty is that 99% of the people in this world don't even acknowledge that they have a body. And those 2 or 3% who acknowledge they have a body, are always judging your body and making it wrong. Whereas your body is your best friend. You got it when you were born and you'll have it till you die. And if you become friends with your body and listen to your body and take your body along on all your creations, money shows up magnificently in your life. You won't even know how it came from, where it came. So money flows definitely. I mean, you go crazy. You don't know where the money is coming from. Money no longer is an issue once you do a body class. But you have to be willing to receive the money. You can't have blockades and barriers and points of views. So if you get into a body class and you make friends with your body, yes, money will flow in. There's one lady who came to do the class with us and she then went abroad, and I spoke to her, I think a few days back. And I remember 3 months after she did the body class, she sent me an email saying that, we've been married for 17 years and it was only after the body class that I did with you, I realized that we truly love each other and have a beautiful relationship going. So it's a body class, but it affects all aspects of your life, whether it is self-esteem, whether it is motivation to do things, to change your life, anything, any aspect of your life you desire to change, you can change it in a 3-day body class.
Adi uncle, there's a very interesting question in the group.
Yes.
And it is this like other access classes where the facilitator facilitates from the manual? Would you like to take that up? Because yes, there's a manual, but it's not the way it's facilitated. So I'd love for you to talk about it.
Yes, so we have a manual and I'm very particular. I follow the manual from first page to the last page and I read every word. I'm just joking. This manual is there just to help you run the body processes on each other. What I will talk on the first day is some aspects of the body, which may not even be given in the manual, but which I feel could contribute to you to get a better understanding with your bodies and to acknowledge your bodies and to start loving your bodies and to start creating with your bodies. After that, it's up to you and your body, which processes you choose and how you run them. So nothing from the manual is covered besides a few aspects of what the body is and how to run the body processes. That's about all.
I also want to add something to that, which is
disconnect.
One second. Thank you for muting.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay. What I wanted to add was that when the first time I did a body class, somebody was very disconnected from my body. The first time I did a body class, it was one of my first experience of receiving from my body when my body would choose a process, or when my partner would ask the manual and then things would just, there was like this energy that would show up in the body and in my world, and things would start shifting. Like you said, it could be money, it could be relationship, but all from the body receiving that information and the body giving that information was one of my first tastes that, oh my God, you can actually include your body. It has something to contribute to you. It has a consciousness, which was very huge for me, especially because I was so disconnected from my body and I like lived judging it all my life. And
You're not the only one. Most of us live our lives disconnected from our bodies. And when we realize we have a body is only when we have a pain or an illness and we say, my God, this body of mine, oh God, how horrible it is. How does it give me so much of pain? How uncomfortable I am. But if you can just become friends with your body and ask your body to create lightness and ease, you will be amazed by what it can do for you. Totally amazed, beyond all expectations. Your body is constantly talking to us, but we are not listening.
That's awesome. I'd love to share an example here. So one of the body classes that I attended, and so there was the person, my partner was running 2 or 3 body processes simultaneously on me. Somewhere maybe I think my body was asking for it. And so she was running those 2 or 3 body processes simultaneously. Of course, it created a whole lot of havoc in a different way, which was, I think, the hormonal, I started having a bit of a hormonal imbalance in my body. But somewhere I think that showed up because I was asking for faster change. I was asking to step up big time. I was just asking for the world. And when it started showing up, I found a way to sort of hold back. So I created that hormonal imbalance, which of course, when I ran more, when I swapped with a few people and they worked on my body using all these body processes, everything sorted out. But initially it was a little, I was caught off guard. I was wondering what exactly is happening, but definitely there's so much. I just started choosing so much more. So, you think you're going there for a body process class, you think you're just running a few body processes, but the way your whole life starts shifting so dynamically, it is just so beautiful. And the only person stopping us is we ourselves, our own points of view. So just do not let that get in the way. Receive the processes and allow your body to lead you to create miracles and just choose so much more. So that's how dynamically these processes work. And that's how dynamically you start showing up in your life.
Thank you, Smriti. That's so well said. And I'd just like to mention here that our bodies are lightning fast. I'll repeat it again. Our bodies are lightning fast. What slows the body down are our points of views.
Yeah.
If your body wants to heal itself, it can heal itself instantaneously of anything that you've been having. But we say, oh, how can it be possible? I've got cancer. It takes 15 years to heal cancer. And I have to go through all these chemos and I have to go through all that. And maybe after that, my body will be able to heal itself. No, your body can heal yourself of anything instantaneously if you don't have any points of views that it cannot. It's your points of views that stops your body from really changing instantaneously. It's your choice. Yes.
Adi, I had another question. Sorry, can I speak? Or
Yeah, you're already speaking, so it's all right. Carry on.
okay, so my question was, you just mentioned something about, if you're willing to take your body where you go. I mean, is that not what we usually do? I mean, can you
I tell you how you take your bodies along. We don't actually take our bodies along. What we take along is a piece of meat. So we get up from here, take this meat of piece, go to the gym, exercise on the thing, then come back, take that meat home and put it to sleep. We are not connected with the body. We are disconnected. We just take it as a piece of meat and we take it all around, all over. That's how we take the body around. But if you really befriend the body, become friends with the body, when you and your body are in total communion with each other, that is the time that you take your body along. Got it, Shilpa? Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Any other questions anyone got?
Adi sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Yeah. So Adi sir, I've heard oftentimes you speak about ask your body what body process it would like to run.
Yes.
So what do you mean by that? As in, yes, ask and then how do you?
Yeah. So what I mentioned earlier is that what shows up in our body, say if you got an itching on your skin, or you got a rash, or you got some eczema, or you got anything showing up in your body, and you think that's the problem. That is not the problem. That is the symptoms of what is happening in your body. The problem or the cause of that is something else. And who knows what the cause is? Your body does. I know, for example, I have a little skin allergy on my foot. And whenever I eat anything, like I eat a burger from outside or I eat a pizza from outside, immediately after that, I get an irritation around that. And that is my body telling me, hello, please don't eat this stuff. It doesn't suit you. It is what's causing this. So once you listen to your body knows exactly. And when you start communicating with your body and talking to your body will exactly tell you what it wants to eat, and you will never put on weight in your life.
Yeah. So like my go-to would be, suppose there's an itching, my go-to would be facelift. I don't know why. But then the body may be asking for another body process at that moment that we are not aware of, and we need to listen to that. That's what you're trying to say?
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
facelift is also part of a body process class.
Yes.
Yeah. That mathematical calculation that goes in, okay, this is the body process that needs to be done at this moment is no longer relevant. It's you need to ask your body and then follow the awareness of your body. That's what you're trying to get, right?
Yeah, you see, you have an awareness and your body has an awareness, and both your awarenesses are not the same.
Yeah.
And if I was to recommend you which awareness to follow, I'd always suggest you follow your body's awareness, because the body has an advantage over us. We as beings have a brain, a mind. The body doesn't. So its awareness is instantaneous and purer than ours, because when it says do this, it has not got any points of views. Our mind and we create points of views around it. This is not possible. How can that happen? This will not happen. That is the reason. So just listen to your body. Listen to your body. You'll make money. Listen to your body. You'll have good fun. Listen to your body. You'll have good sex. Listen to your body. You'll get good relationships. Listen to your body and you'll stand out. And people will look at you and say, wow, who is that going?
Wow.
Okay. Yeah.
So Komal, I think, has a question.
Yes,
Go
sir.
ahead.
How are you, sir? How are you, ma'am?
Very well. Komal. Yep.
Sir, seriously, you are the energy booster. And whenever I saw you, I don't know, my body say, go to the RD sir's class, go to RD sir's class. But somehow it will not happen. I have one question, that the right body for you is the part of the body 3 days body class?
No, it's a separate class.
Okay. And the body whispering?
It's also a separate class.
Okay. I will be joining soon your class.
Whenever you choose, whenever, it's your choice. See, one beautiful thing in Access is that we don't ever tell anyone that you need to do this class. It is very important. You must do this class. And without this class, you're nothing. No. Do what you choose. Do what comes to you with lightness. And follow your lightness and do the class, whichever class comes up that shows up. Okay?
And Komal, if you're still just waiting for, say, for something to show up, say, for example, money to show up before you can even choose that class, I would just highly recommend choose whatever it is that's light for you. Choose, if a class is calling out to you, just choose it and the money will show up. Just don't get into head tripping as to how that will show up. Just say, I don't care, and make a demand and just say, I'm choosing this class. I'm going to do whatever it takes to make it happen. That is if you're choosing this, right? That is what Sir said, like you follow the lightness or whatever, but if your body is calling out, just choose it. Don't wait for money to show up before you can choose something.
Yeah, and I'd also just add one thing here. If you say, oh, I can't afford it, the universe has very, very sharp ears. It's listening to you. And the moment you say, I can't afford it, bang, you can never afford it. Never say, I can't afford it. Say, I'm choosing this class. Hey, universe, what will it take for you to show up so much of money in my life so that I can go for the class, travel there, stay in the hotel and do everything with ease? And you see the money will show up. It has never happened in the last 11 years that Kiran and me have been in Access that it hasn't shown up. Always it shows up.
Me too.
Me too.
Always.
Always,
Always.
always.
You choose it and you just be that demand. And like what Adi uncle said, never say I can't afford it. Instead, ask a question: what would it take to afford this with ease?
Yes.
And
I have done all the class by on this base only. I choose the class.
Very good.
Money has showed up, and I did it all the classes.
Wonderful.
And I choose this class also.
Good. Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
we have another question. Payal, you want to go for it?
Yes, yes. I know about body whispering. You know, there's a book by Dane.
Yes, Dane. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and also a very good friend of mine. She was the one who introduced me to Access. So I did my bars and foundation.
Okay.
And slowly she's now introducing me to the body class as well, you know, the body processes.
Yes.
So it's showing up in my world. But I asked her also the same question, and I'm asking you also the same question. Everybody talks that body is more sharper and more intelligent than our brain also. But how do you know when you ask your body whether you are the one answering it, you're making it up, or it's really your body answering? Say, I say, body, what would you like to wear? Now, how do you know who's actually giving the answer, whether you're making it up, your brain is making it up, or
So the simple thing is that awareness, which the body will give you, is instantaneous.
okay.
What shows up 2 seconds later is your mind. So when you stand in front of your wardrobe and you say, hey, body, what would you like to wear today? And the body points to a particular dress. And they
Yes.
say, this is 20 years old and I never worn it. Why the body wants to wear it now? It can't be. That's your mind. That is your mind talking. But
So
what instantaneously shows up is your body talking.
Okay.
Can I share an example here?
Yes, please.
So one day I had to go for a very important or a very important event. And I was like, okay, what to wear, body? So I kept asking my body what it'll like to wear. And I asked my daughter to give me a little facelift session. I have to bribe her to give me sessions. So I had to buy a Subway for her so that she could run those, the energetic facelift sessions on me. While I was receiving the session, I just kept asking my body, okay, body, what would you like to wear? So I got this image of a black dress that I have. Okay, but when I opened my wardrobe and it was a bit of a mess, and I just put in my hand and I just pulled out, which I thought was that particular black dress. But what showed up was a navy blue jumpsuit that I have, that I'd bought 5 years ago, and I never wore it because I thought I looked really plump in that. So I never really wore that. And I tried on the black dress. I finally found that and I wore that, and it just did not look nice. I said, okay, let me try that jumpsuit. I thought I'd put on even more weight ever since I'd bought that. But I was like, okay, let me just give it a try. But my body just fit into it so beautifully. I was looking so good, if I may say so right now. And my eyes were like twinkling because of the facelift session. I got so many compliments. So many people told me you've lost weight, Smriti, you're looking stunning. And I was like, wow, that's interesting. So, that's how fast your body will just overrule and decide for you what you'd like, what it'll like to wear. So
Yeah,
it can be that fast.
Even Sangeeta, I think, shared it one of the things where she was coming for a class and she wanted to wear a dress and the dress wasn't ironed properly and there was no time. And yeah, would you like to share that, Sangeeta?
Sure, I'd love to. So, I was in a body class in Bangalore, and I woke up in the morning and I was like, okay, buddy, what would you like to wear? Of course, I had limited choice because I was traveling. But out of that, it chose this outfit, which was completely crushed. And I was like, oh, I have to, I really don't have the time to iron it. So that was my mind coming in the way and going like, but I still need to iron it. And if I really iron it and, the laundry is not going to give it to me in time. And then I was like, wait 1 second, I'm here for the body class and my body's asking me to wear this. So what would it take for ease, joy and glory? I called the laundry guy and I said, hey, I have this outfit that I wanted to wear and I need it now in like the next 10 minutes. And they came. They said, ma'am, 20 minutes. I was like, all right, I'll push it by 10 minutes. It was there in 10 minutes. Like they went, they took it, they got it back. And like, I was so well in time, in fact, even before time. And I was ready and I felt so good. I mean,
you're looking lovely too.
Yes, I remember because I also got a lot of compliments. In fact, everybody, I mean, I got hit by a lot of women who wanted to take me home, but that's a different story.
Yes, weird things do show up in a body.
So, you'd be surprised when your body chooses and you're willing to allow your body to lead. It will also create all the ease that you require when you say yes to it. So it's really crazy because in my head, like just the day before I'd given clothes, they took 1 hour to give it to me. And they said, no, ma'am, you give it in the morning, we'll give it to you in the evening. All those kind of things. No, you've had experiences also. So your head goes there. It was so crazy how I made that call. They were there in 2 minutes. They gave me the dress in 10 minutes. And it was freaking phenomenal. So yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for the reminder, Adi uncle.
Yes.
And
I don't forget good things in life.
I love you because of that.
also, when like the moment we decided about the class in Mumbai, I think the class automatically chose the venue also. So the venue that we have is beautiful. It is overlooking the Powai Lake. It is very, 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 very expansive. It's just such a beautiful place. So you'll be running the body processes just overlooking with the view of the entire Powai Lake, which is very expansive. So yeah, what will it take for more than 100 people to just choose it and show up for this class?
Yeah.
I would like to ask Adi uncle to just say 2 lines because we did, call this Zoom changing the planet one body class at a time. And we were in a conversation and we spoke about how, I know personally for me, when I was disconnected with my body, it affected a lot of areas of my life. It affected my relationships. It affected the things that I would choose. It also affected the way I showed up and specifically money, because money is for the body. And the minute I started being like, with my body in communion, everything changed. I know Adi uncle knows me from my first foundation class. Which was also his first foundation class in Delhi. So we've been associated for that long and he's seen my journey. But this whole thing of, in our conversation, we realized that there are so many unhappy bodies on the planet. And if you get a sense of what that is creating, and then you tap into the energy of a body class where everyone becomes present with their body. They're willing to receive with their body and, contribute to other bodies because that's what we are here for. Yes. And the space that it creates on the planet then. And I know I can go on and on, but I'd really like to hear it from Adi uncle because he says it so beautifully.
Yeah, so that's the whole thing, when we, with our bodies, choose things, it is not only for ourselves that we choose it. It affects everyone around you also. And you will notice that you do a body class or you do any class, and it's not only you that change, your whole family, your people whom you're associated with, whom you work with, they all change. You're a contribution to everyone. So if you have people with unhappy bodies, what are you creating? Unhappiness. But if you have bodies and people who are happy with their bodies, what are you going to create? Happiness. And what's the happiness going to create in the world? A happier world, simple. And why wouldn't we like the world to be happier?
Also, if I may just add, the body class was the first place where I actually became aware of a possibility that I don't have to be unhappy because I have a body. I can actually choose joy because of a body. And then, I heard Gary say this in one of the classes, and it was in the body class that the penny dropped in my head that, do you know why? If you chose everything in your life, you also chose your body. And do you know why you chose it? Because you actually liked it.
You loved it.
You loved it.
You loved it. And your body is a source of joy and pleasure in your life.
Yeah.
And you can't have joy and pleasure if you're not connected with your body, if you don't acknowledge your body, if you don't love your body. How can you have joy and pleasure? But that's what the body is. And why wouldn't you like to have a life that's pleasurable, joyful, and full of ease? No sweat, no hard work, no struggle, but just ease and joy and fun.
And also, when you judge your body, you tend to keep your creations very small so that nobody else chooses to be with you, because then you are making sure that you don't give them a chance to judge you. So it's up to you to decide
Yes.
or ask whether you'd like to have bigger creations. So what would it take? And yeah, what if the first step is by choosing this body class?
We are choosing to create a happier planet with happy bodies. And I don't know a kinder body than RD Uncle's body. His body just is such an invitation when you are there in his class and there's just freaking no judgment and he sees the beauty underneath all of you. It's like the first time you get to see that too. So we are just inviting you. If we haven't convinced you enough, we can also strip and like dance for you, but we'll leave that to you and we will allow you to choose this class if it's light for you. Yeah.
I just like to say something here, if it's okay.
Yeah.
I just like to say,
who are you here?
I just like to say, that a body class, when I first did my body class, that's the time I got the ease with my body. And I realized that, we keep looking for a soulmate, blah, blah, blah. And actually your body is your friend. It's with you the day you're born and it's with you till the day you die. But we don't communicate with our body. And once you start communicating, somebody had asked a question just now about how do you know your body is talking and it's not your mind. It's not, what's there in your mind. I love that question because that was there in my mind also. Till I started communicating with my body and having the ease with my body that, that's the time you realize that, oh my God, your body wants this, but you want something else. So how, you kind of follow your body or, say, okay, or you say, I want to cheat out here. This is what I want. I know you're not very happy with it. That communication with the body and with what ease you can do it is only once I attended a body class and realized that, yes, the body also has its awareness.
And its choices.
So that really, really changed a lot for me.
Thank you, Kiran. So nice of you and kind of you. Bless you.
Can I say something, Adi sir?
Please.
Body has been something that I have always loved. At one point of time in my life, like when I was a teenager, I was a very skinny, plain Jane kind of a person. And you can say I nearly didn't exist. Nobody ever took paid attention to me or fell in love with me. Like, you have that kind of a thing in that point of time in your life. And but at the same time, I always was like, if somebody falls in love with me, I want them to fall in love with the person that I am, not just the looks. And slowly, as I grew through the years, I have fallen in love with my body more. And I enjoy my body. I enjoy the pleasures of my body. And I communicate with the body. And to a very larger extent, like when you shared about the clothes that you wear, this I do every single time. And it's crazy because people around me, they're like, अरे तेरे पास पहले से कुछ भी plan नहीं रहता, लू last minute में decide करती कि ये करना है, वो पहनना है, you want to go to a function. It's a last minute thing that you start out and then they go mad because I don't have time in that minute. But yes, I really enjoy the way my body communicates. And I have seen my body work wonders. No, I have not done the body class. But even before I came into Access, I have always worked or rather been in love with my body, and my body has helped me big time.
Thank you for sharing.
To the extent that even a wisdom tooth which had to be removed, when I started talking to my wisdom tooth, it said, I don't want to go. I said, okay, tumko nahi jana hai to okay, fine, I'll let you be, but then you're not going to hurt me till the end of my life. If you're okay with that, I'm okay with this. And it said, fine. And I will again show you the
X-ray which I had to take recently, it still is there and it has not hurt even one single day, and it is not willing to take any kind of a medication.
Thank you very much for sharing this. And I'd just like to add here that the body is actually a contribution to all of us.
Big time.
And we try to, because we only remember the body when it's in pain. And the pain is when you don't listen to the body, when it's whispering to you, don't listen to the whispers. And pain is when it is trying to scream at you. Oh, pain. Body is always talking to us. And if you can talk to your body and ask your body will always, always love you and respect you and honor you. Thank you very much.
I also want to add something else.
Buzzing right now, like when I'm listening to you and this call, and I'm so grateful for choosing to be on this call. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
You know, I also wanted to add something, Adi uncle, and also thank you, Seema, for that, because I wanted to share that, you know, for a very long time, I attended classes because I thought I had an issue to fix. I wanted more communion with my body. I wanted more presence with my body. I wanted to get out of judgment. I wanted to make more money. And I used to come from the space that I lack it, you know. And what you shared today just reminded me how swiftly and quickly it shifted to, is this light for my body? And very often I've been in classes because your bodies are already your contribution, right? And you are not there to fix anything, but to be the gift that you are here for. And it is so crazy that when you're willing to step into that and you choose something, how you are gifted is
Amazing.
I cannot put it in words, but what shows up when you're willing to follow the lightness. Like for me, it's a question is, okay, you know, what will choosing this class create? And I don't cognitively know what it is, but if it's just a lot of space and it's light and it's joyous for me, I'm not there to fix my body. Sometimes I'm there to be the gift. And what I get in return is,
amazing.
Well, it is brilliant because you are a gift, and it is in, imagine being in a room full of bodies that are looking for that gift. And when you show up there, it's a two-way street, no? As you're willing to be the gift, you are gifted. You receive it, and it opens up a whole new world.
That's the generosity of spirit. Yes.
Yeah.
Or the spirit of generosity.
And I must say that every time I choose a class, and like it's like, you know, somebody asked me, but you know, what's the point of going? You're a gift, but you're paying for the class. I promise I've always made 4 or 5 times more the money. By the time the class ends, I have that much money. So I don't ask me how, but it's there.
Yeah. And don't keep waiting for the class to show up in your city. Just if this class is calling out, just go for it, guys. Because imagine the space of expansiveness, perceive that, and ask your body what will happen, or what would it, if I choose this class, what would my life be 5 years from now? And just, if it sounds exciting, if it sounds expansive, just go ahead, make that choice.
Yeah.
Right.
Also we have a different demand. Like even when we asked Adi uncle to do this class, our demand was for a happier planet, which includes happy bodies. And so the city popped. We are looking for classes that would make that a reality. So, you know, you need to tap into whether this class will create more for you or not. Don't go to your head, no, when it comes to my city. Because I promise you, I have traveled across the world to do classes, and it's even, sometimes it's happening in my city the next week, and I will still choose another city to do the class in because I'm following my body's awareness. Please take everything into account. Adi uncle knows this. Like I know he was coming to Delhi just 10 days later, and I still went to Bangalore to do the body.
Yes. Yes.
But it is you, when you're like asking the body, then you need to get out of your head. You need to step into your body, and you just ask your body, all right, do you want to do this? Make it ease, make it joyful. I'm choosing it, you know, and then you see what opens up for you. And before I knew it, I was in both classes, so Delhi and Bangalore. So how does it get any better than this, and what else is possible?
You can also ask your body to create the money for you.
Yes. Always.
Mehek, hi, you have a question?
Hi, I don't have a question, but I would love to talk to y'all.
Okay.
And I would like to tell everyone that our Adi sir's class, body class, is amazing.
Hi, congratulations. Yeah, you're married. You're looking so different.
You.
Wow.
No, I'm the same Mehak. I am an infinite being.
Oh,
I'm not
yeah,
Radha.
yeah.
I'm sick of the
Congratulations.
Thank
Congratulations.
you,
Mehak.
thank you, Kiran aunty. Thank
You're
you
looking
so
lovely,
much.
yeah.
Thank you so much. Maybe the lighting, maybe something else. Not me. It's
Not-
not me.
Can't be you. Absolutely.
It can't be me.
I know.
We never allow ourselves to be.
Yes.
But I would like to say that, guys, body class is something that you must do again and again and again. And
Thank
I'm
you.
looking forward. When can I, jump into one, get out of my stupid schedules and jump into one as soon as possible.
Welcome. Thank you.
Cool. All
Yes.
right.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we will see all of you in the class. That's it. I've said it. No one has a choice anymore.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you for this. Thank you so much.
And thank you for coming on, showing up for this for this call. It was really nice and all the beautiful questions you asked. Thank you very much. And bless you all and have a fabulous life wherever you are and whatever you're doing.
Thank you so much, everyone. And if you have any more questions, you can connect with Sangeeta or me or Mansi, any one of us, and we'll be happy to guide you. We also have the hotel rooms booked. In case you'd like a good deal, you can connect with any one of us and we can guide you to that. And yeah, what else is possible? What will it take for you all to see all of you there?
Yes.
And in fact, looking forward to seeing you all there. So thank you so much, everyone. And
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you, RD sir, and thank you, Kiran ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome, my dear.
Thank
Thank you, all of you, for being on the call.
Thank you everyone.
yes, tell singing Santa Claus is coming to town. Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes, yes.
He's
All
our
right.
Dumbledore, actually.
While the whole world will be making New Year resolutions to lose weight and to eat healthy, you will be in a class which teaches you how to have total pleasure and joy with your body. How does it get any better?
Better than this.
Oh.
And maybe if you're lucky, you will lose weight, because I've never gymmed, nothing. But after all these body classes, my tummy is like flattening, my skin is glowing, my body chooses different haircut. So anything can change. So
We hate you, Ansi. We hate you, but we love you.
Yeah.
I
So
can
don't choose this class.
already perceive all the yumminess. It's just
yeah.
so awesome.
Thank you
All
everyone.
right. Thank you, everyone.
Bye bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye. See you all
Bye.
soon.
Bye.
Love you all.
I love you.